Alright, so I have a battery connection. It should not look like that. That one is coming from my generator. So I will be replacing this with a new connector. A few of the tools I'll be using is a crimper for 2-gauge wire, cable cutters, 9/16 wrench. I'm going to replace that hex nut with a stainless steel nut, and you'll need a 2-gauge 3/8 stud with a small piece of heat shrinking and a heat gun. I have a heat gun. You could also use a torch, a mini torch, propane torch, to shrink your heat shrink tube. Got a rusted post here. Had to put some penetrant oil on it, break it free. There we go. I'm going to take a Dremel with an abrasive brush, clean up this terminal here. This one that's still good. You know, while you're down here, it's always a good idea to give these a tug. I also disconnected the grounds from the battery so we have no current. This one still appears to be intact. This is our damaged wire. Let's go ahead and cut that off. Nice. That gave a good clean cut. Okay, so that's crimped on there. Nice hexagonal crimp. Just feed a little shrink tube over it. So there we go. There's our finished product. Good time to always retighten your connection posts, terminal posts.